My landlady and I.
Oi. Thank God. The meaning to want to come and talk to you about the meeting I'm going to hold today. So now that I have seen you, if you like, come. If you like, don't come. Because the meeting is very important. So you need to be there. Don't say I did not tell you.
You have a meeting today and you're telling me today. Why didn't you tell me yesterday?
Hey. What difference does it have to do? I told you yesterday. Do you have anything you are doing?
Yes! Right now I'm going out, as you can see. I don't even know. Every time meeting. Look at house. That's why I said things that are cheap can kill you. After you have ruined my life, everything. I just regret coming to your compound.
Bele.
I regret it.
Which life are they ruining? Is this one life that you're living like this?
When is the meeting? I don't even have issues. I don't want anything today, I beg.
If you like, come. If you like, don't come. You'll be shocked with what you meet. Only Ranu, I ruined your life. Your life that is already ruined before.
This episode of My Landlady and I is proudly brought to you by Krista Owens.
I'm so sorry. That's why I have to come with him. You know him now, streets, my best man. Everything that happened that day was just something not totally planned. It was just like dreams. Till now, I'm still even trying to think about what happened. Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We still have souvenirs, everything that we want to use for the wedding. Let it not just waste like that.
You know that you actually embarrassed me. I felt embarrassed on my own wedding day.
Come on, our wedding day. I'm saying, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Fine girl. Omoto show. Omoto beautiful. Adeze. You know you are so fine. Just forgive him now. Just pity for him. You know, Jesus Christ in the Bible said that before he will not forgive somebody, he must have sinned like 70 times 7. He has not even sinned 5 inside 77. My friend who feels your heart play. You know that one already. And so I bet make you just give her one more chance. You know?
See, all those girls that's before. Not.
It's fine. It's okay. I've heard you guys. But you know what? Since we're gonna be cutting, I'll have to move in with you. Because you know I don't know anything about you. I need to get to know you better before we continue with this wedding. But for now, no wedding. I need to know who you really are.
And yeah, I know. Okay, fine, no problem. We just got to know. So, bro, I know the wedding was so short and stuff like that. No problem. Move in. You move in. She's moving in, so you don't come and be disturbing me.
Yes, I'm not going to cook for you again. At least you will be the one cooking now. I will not be cooking again.
See, don't try to eat his food, though.
Why?
How? What do you mean?
Don't just eat his food. This
doesn't know how to cook.
Yeah, I can cook. Don't mind him.
Don't eat his food, though.
But you don't look like you can cook.
Who told you I can cook?
See, let's just start from that part. Don't eat his food.
Hey, don't worry now. I'll be coming to your house to cook now.
Alright, let me get my bag.
Let me get your bag, okay?
So you will just help me start from the back because of this idiot that has refused to come and pack his jargons. But leave this front one first.
From this side or this side?
Start from the back. Tell your man to start from the back.
You that was supposed to carry bag for me. You are just walking at my back.
Carry your bag.
I should carry the bag.
Oh, they are already coming.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. What's happening here?
Thank God you are here.
I'm so proud.
Well done.
Can't relate. You have met our landlady already now that spoiled our wedding.
I have. Thank God you are even here with your nonsense load. Weird. I'm waiting for you to come and pack the rubbish inside. You are bringing more. Anyways, no wahala. I have sold the house. He is here to demolish it. I told him to wait for you just 2 hours. Your co-tenants have left already. Come for a meeting. You said no. Well, my dear, when you are done, scatter everywhere if it does not get out from this place in 2 hours. I don't know you are still following this good for nothing. He did not tell you he has been owing rent for how many years?
Wait. I'm owing rent. Does that mean you demolish house? Wait, you say you did what? Why will you say house without giving us notice?
I don't understand. Is it your father's house or your mother's house? Did I not call for a meeting? Did you come? Please, go on.
You sold us, you didn't tell us that you are selling.
Go and check. Your co-tenants are no longer there. If you think I'm lying.
In as much I'm not paying rent. What? We had a deal already. So
Which deal? For how many years?
Wait, those ladies they are no longer there.
Go and check. Why will I not sell a house that you? Oh, sure. Nonsense. You want to kill me?
What's going on, ma?
He thinks I'm joking now, so I told him to go and check.
I expected this to be resolved.
Please.
On before.
Please, what? Wait, it's true. Wait, oh, they have even left, oh.
So, please, help me go and start the work.
Problem.
what's it?
I'm taking orders from you and. Okay.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
What kind of landlady are you? I don't get it.
Did you rent house from me?
Well done, I'm talking. Why didn't you tell your tenant before doing something like this?
Ask him. Did I not ask him to come for meeting? Did he?
You are a wicked woman.
My dear, demolish everything. If you are compassionate enough, throw his dirty load outside.
Don't try it. If not that you are older than me, I would have given you a dirty slap.
Hey!
Yes!
In my own house.
In your house, I will beat you blah blah.
I will call people to carry you away. You look at the person you want to marry.
Which people?
Somebody that does not have future.
Mind your business.
Are you sure you even paid your bride price?
Mind your business. It's none of your business. He's not your son, and I'm not your daughter. So mind your business.
God forbid. God forbid.
Look at this one
cannot be my son. Like
he can never
a
insult.
pauper cannot be my son.
He cannot be a son to a wicked woman like you.
Oyiko. If not for God, no problem. And what are you still standing here doing?